Hello friends, welcome to our channel Study Island. Today we are going to learn how to divide the polynomials. As you can see, I have written division of polynomials. So before starting, I have written some rules or steps that we need to follow. So first we will read that. So when you have to divide any polynomial, so you can see we can write it as a dividend and this is a divisor. We just compare it with that example. If you have to divide 16 by 2, so 16 is dividend, 2 is divisor. So when you have to divide, we will use the long division method. So in the long division method, we usually write it in this way, if you remember. Okay. So the same way we are going to divide it. So let's start it. The very first step that I have mentioned here, that is write dividend in decreasing order of degree of polynomials. Okay, now you will think, what is degree? So degree is nothing else but the exponent power of these terms. Okay, so here you can see x cube, it's x square, here it's x1, here maybe it will be x is to the power 0. So it's already in a decreasing order, so I don't have to do. But if the question could be in this way, then I have to first arrange it in this way, because that is the very first step when we are dividing it. And the same thing we have to follow here also, the divisor also. Okay, so if in divisor also, if it is in a increasing order, if it's not in a decreasing order, so first we need to write it in a decreasing order. Okay, now first we will write divisor should be here and dividend will be here. Okay, now we have written, it's already in decreasing order. Okay, now second step, divide first term of dividend by first term of divisor. Okay, so first term of dividend, which is x cube, and first term of divisor, which is x. So first we need to divide it. X cube means 3 times x, 1, 2 and 3, and this is x. So x will be cut, so you will get x square. So x square will be your quotient. Okay, so divide first term of dividend by first term of divisor, that we have done. Now what we need to do, multiply quotient. This is quotient, q is here for quotient. Okay, so this quotient we need to divide with divisor. Okay, so this is the divisor, x plus 1. We will multiply it with quotient. So x plus 1 will be multiplied by x square. So when you multiply x square multiply by x, you will get x cube. Okay, and plus this plus will come down, 1 multiplied by x square will give you x square. Okay, so we will write same thing here, x cube plus x square. First done, second done, now third done. Now what is the first step? Subtraction. So here we need to subtract. So as you know, when we are subtracting polynomials, the signs should be changed for the second term. Okay, so here this will be cut because this was plus, this was also plus, but because of subtraction become minus, and here both were plus, but subtraction may this become minus. So 3x square minus x square will give you 2x square plus 3x. Now next term we can write. Okay, now again we will start from second step. So divide first term of dividend. So first term of dividend means 2x square by first term of divisor. Okay, so there are again x square means x multiplied by x, and this is x, so these both will be cut. So what you will get, 2x. 2x will be your quotient. Okay, now according to the third step, we need to multiply this quotient by divisor. So 2x will be multiplied by x plus 1. So 2x multiplied by x will give you 2x square. Okay, and 1 multiplied by 2x will give you 2x. Okay, so now this we will write it here, 2x square plus 2x. Now fourth one, subtraction. So we will subtract. Okay, so here it will be cut, here you will get x, and the last will come x plus 1. Now before dividing, we will see x plus 1 and x plus 1, they both are same. Okay, so if we multiply it by 1, so you will get, or maybe if you will get the quotient 1, so maybe we will get the same term. So again subtract whole will cut, you will get 0 remainder. Okay. So these are the basic steps that you need to follow. First, you need to write dividend in decreasing order of degree of polynomials. Second, divide first term of dividend by first term of divisor. This is dividend, inside end, like that you can remember. Inside will be dividend, outside is divisor. Okay, but after that, multiply quotient with divisor. How you will get the quotient? Divide first term of dividend by first term of divisor. Then you will get quotient. This quotient will be multiplied by divisor. Okay, then whatever you got, you will write the term here below this term and you will subtract. Okay, so these steps you need to follow till the time you are getting the term whose degree is less than the divisor. Okay, so I hope this is clear for you. Thank you so much everyone.